I'm going to demonstrate how we can create a custom attribute and then pass a value to the custom attribute and then write some custom code in value changed method, convention method. Okay, to demonstrate that, I'm going to create a new custom attribute called case. And then we'll open up Visual Studio Code, and in here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the value that's being passed, which is going to come in the new value, and assign that into the elements text transform property. So I'm going to just take whatever the value is being passed. So it better be a valid CSS attribute value for text dash transform, which is going to be uppercase, lowercase, and capitalize. So now let's go into our app.html. We'll require the new case attribute, and then we will start using it inside of our compose element. We'll just say case equals uppercase, and then let me save it. Let's see if the AU run is still running. Yep, it's running. So let me go into our application. Everything is working like before. So I'm going to add a new task named task 3 and click on add to do, and that's added. Now let's go back and change it to lowercase and save it. Come back here. Everything is in lowercase now. And we will also use the pseudo property named $odd and $even that will check if the index of the element is odd or even. Since we are enumerating the list of to-dos, we only have two to-dos. The first element is going to be even because 0 will return even and then 1 will return odd. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just use a dollar string interpolation syntax, and I'm going to just use the $odd property, and I'm going to show the odd row or odd values into uppercase, and then if it is not odd value, that is if it's even value, then use lowercase as a style. Okay, and then we'll close the curly brace and save this. I mean, go back into the browser. As you can see, the odd numbered ones are going to be in uppercase and the even numbered ones are going to be in lowercase. Since 0 is considered even number, it's going to be in lowercase. Let me add a couple more tasks. You can see that in action. There we go. Now let's delete one of this and then see if the cases adjust themselves. There we go. See, it adjusts itself. And that demonstrates how we can pass a value into a custom attribute and then write some logic inside of value changed convention method, and also use the odd or even pseudo property to set this case custom attribute to lowercase or uppercase.